it goes in a box with $69, and I brought it from the store. It comes packed in a straight box that's metal in China. It's brought for 100 days, and it's not a proper paper. It has a cleaner sensor so that it comes with water. It comes with a water tank with its water. This is what it looks like, and it's in the box. And this is how I brought it. It's packed in the box. So let's go open it. So open this. So when I open this, here's the humidifier. Then you take that out. That's the heater. I got this one. I boxed it in my video. I got it. It's in a big box. I got this one. This is what it looks like. Remind you that it's a pretty nice little thing. I got it. And this is all it comes in the box. So I got now put it together. Put it like that. And here it goes. This is what the heater looks like. That's what it looks like it was. So this is what it just comes in the box. So it's in options. Now let me put it back in the box for the night, because I might need it for the night. But it's pretty nice heater, and it's for big homes or little homes that it comes with, and it's shorter than a more home. Then you have to put it together, and you have to pretending it. It's a big heater, so I got it. Daddy, you put it on the floor for me. Daddy, put it on the floor for me. We can check some other things out. Drop it on the floor for me. And